Look at your dog. What do you see? A loyal companion? A goofy furball? Well, stop looking and start smelling. Because the creature sitting next to you isn't living in a visual world like yours. They are living in the matrix of smell. While you see a fire hydrant, your dog sees a historical document. Their olfactory bulb is 3 times larger than yours, relative to brain size. Don't just smell pizza. They deconstruct the flour, the tomato, the hands that made it, and exactly how long ago it was cooked. To a dog, the world isn't a place of objects. It's a swirling, time-traveling landscape of data. They smell the past, the present, and as we're finding out even the future of your emotions. Have you ever tried to hide a bad mood from your dog? Good luck. Recent studies prove you cannot lie to them. Not because they are psychic,